Alrighty guys, check it out. I just got this beautiful 2005 Mercedes-Benz SLK 350. I believe it's a launch edition because of this color. It's got these chrome little slats in the grille, these wheels, it has the silver mirror caps, and it has these beautiful Napa leather seats in the brown color. And then it also has this little spoiler thing back here. So I think that means it's a launch edition. And so what I'm in the process of doing right now, since when this car came in, it was pretty dirty, it's been sitting under a tree. I'm trying to rejuvenate all of the rubber seals with the hard top. So I kind of have it in this metal mode right here. And I've just been taking some of this leather conditioner and cleaner and a microfiber towel and just going over all the seals, cleaning them up, giving them a nice sheen, trying to keep them soft. And at the same time, also trying to clean any dirt or grit that could be in any of the gaps and jams. Because you don't want any dirt collecting in here, because that could create a leak and also be abrasive against the rubber seals, the top shifts, and you don't want to ruin your nice top. So on this side, I haven't cleaned it yet, and you can see it's pretty crusty in there, pretty dirty. And all these seals have this kind of built-on mud, some spider webs, leaves, just debris that can make them wear out prematurely. So I'm just trying to clean this stuff up and make it look really nice. And I highly recommend keeping your rubber seals up to snuff on your car too, because you don't want your stuff to end up looking like this. This has been sitting outside and this is all ruined with this windshield seal. Here's a bit more before and after. I haven't done this part yet. And right about there is where you can see I was ran out of reach. And the rest of this looks really good now. And this is the dirty half. So probably should do this a couple times a year just to keep your seals good. And also if there's any loose stuff, like down here there's some leaves, I'm going to vacuum those out because there's just no need to keep those down there. And other than that, just basic little maintenance things to do on your car. Just thought I'd share. And all I'm doing is just taking this stuff here and just rubbing it on and kind of trying to scrub off the dirt. And doing this, I've noticed that there's a little crack in this seal here. So now that I'm aware of that, that's something to monitor and stay on top of. And if I have any leaks, I will assume firstly that it is this. Like, check this out. Here's the before. And here's the after. Look at how much cleaner that is. I'm going to vacuum out of here next. Because once you get your top working amazingly, you get to enjoy these beautiful roads out here. A car like this loves these smooth, freshly paved, high-speed back road curves. It's just awesome driving with the top down, sun setting, beautiful views. It's just amazing. If you take care of your convertibles, they'll take care of you. 164,000 miles. It's got a little tick in the motor, but when you're driving, it just sings, and it's so nice. Oh man, go out and get a convertible. It's beautiful.